Do you think that Muslim rulers during their rule in India, when they were expanding their empires, only fought with the Hindu kings and their armies? The answer is a big no. Actually, they fought more among themselves, and when need to fight Hindu states arose, then only they fought against the Hindu armies. They were always so busy in fighting each other and establishing their supremacy. I'm gonna explain you with examples in this video. Sultan Iltutmish defeated and killed Aram Shah and became the Sultan of Delhi in 1211 AD. Nasiruddin Mahmud killed Sultan Ghiyasuddin alias Husamuddin and captured Lakhnauti in 1226 AD. In 1229 AD, Iltutmish marched to Bengal and killed Balkha Khilji, which made Bengal and Bihar again the part of Delhi Sultanate. After the death of Sultan Iltutmish, 4 sultans of his dynasty were murdered within 10 years among themselves. Ruknuddin Firoz Shah, the son of Iltutmish, was defeated and killed by the army of Razia Sultana. Razia herself fought whole of her short reign against the Muslim Turkish nobles and later was dethroned. Bahram Shah was killed in 1242 AD by the Muslim Turkish nobles. Sultan Nasiruddin Mahmud is widely believed by the historians that he was killed by Balban. Balban fought several battles against Muslim governor of Bengal, Tughril Khan, and killed him, and also inflicted heavy punishment with terrible terror and impaled hundreds of his Muslim supporters. Jalaluddin Khilji killed successor of Balban and thrown in river Yamuna. In 1296, Alauddin Khilji killed Jalaluddin Khilji and became the Sultan of Delhi. In 1299, new Muslims revolted against Alauddin and they were punished hard by his commander Nusrat Khan and were killed. Second revolt was of Akad Khan, who was killed with his Muslim followers. Third revolt was by the sons or the sisters of Alauddin, which was suppressed, and rebels were killed by Alauddin's Muslim commander Malik Hamiduddin. Khusro Khan was defeated and killed at the battle near Indraprast outside Delhi by Ghazi Malik Tughlaq. Muhammad Tughlaq faced many revolts attempted by his Muslim nobles. The revolt of Bahauddin Gurshaf, governor of Sagar in the Deccan in 1326 AD, the revolt of Kichlu Khan, governor of Uch, Sindh and Multan in 1327-28, the revolts in Sunam, Samana, Kara, Gulbarga, Awadh, Multan and that of Gujarat during the later years of his reign. Many lives were lost in suppressing these revolts. Successors of Firoz Shah Tughlaq and other Muslim princes of royal blood hotly contested against each other for the throne. Muslim Taimur attacked India during the reign of Sultan Nasiruddin Muhammad Shah and caused a lot of Muslim bloodshed in 1398-99. Khizr Khan was the founder of Sayyid dynasty, was killed by his Muslim nobles while he was supervising the construction of his new town Mubarakbad on the banks of river Yamuna in 1421. Sikandar Lodi fought his uncle Alam Khan and forced him to leave his kingdom. Ira Khan, who opposed Sikandar's succession, was also killed in a battle. Likewise, Azam Humayun and Tatar Khan were expelled from Kalpi and Jhalra. In 1494, Sikandar Lodi fought with Hussain Shah and forced him out of his frontiers. Sultan Ibrahim Lodi defeated his brother Jalal Khan. Ibrahim Lodi imprisoned Azam Humayun and his son Fateh Khan. Mia Bau, the old wazir, was also imprisoned. Revolts were caused in the east under the leadership of Islam Khan. 2 successive armies sent by the Sultan were defeated by the rebels. Then Ibrahim Lodi himself marched against them and after a lot of bloodshed defeated the rebels. Thousands of Muslim Afghans' life was lost. Lodis were always at loggerheads with Muslim Sharqi sultans. Babur defeated and killed Muslim army of Ibrahim Lodi. Humayun lost his kingdom to Sher Shah Suri. Sikandar Suri was defeated by Humayun. All through the reign of Mughals, wars and battles were fought between Muslim Persia, Muslim Pathans and Muslim Deccan sultans. Muslim kings and brothers, their nobles, fought among themselves bloody wars of succession and superiority. Bairam Khan fought against Mughal commander sent by Akbar, Adga Khan, and was defeated. Bairam Khan was attacked and killed by Afghan Mubarak Khan in Gujarat. Mughals attacked Muslim Baz Bahadur of Malwa and defeated his army. In 1569, Muslim Suleiman Karani of Bihar was defeated, and in 1572 his son Dawood was defeated by Mughals. Mughals attacked Mirza Hakim of Afghanistan under the commandership of Raja Man Singh, and Afghanistan was captured. The Mughals attacked Kashmir in 1586 AD, and its ruler Yusuf Khan surrendered, and Yaqub Khan, who resisted, was defeated and Kashmir was occupied. Mughals attacked Sindh in 1591 AD and forced its Muslim ruler Zani Beg to surrender after 2 battles. In 1592, Orissa was attacked and its ruler Qutun Khan Lohani was defeated. Mughals defeated Muslim Balochi chiefs in 1595 AD. Mughals attacked Muslim Ahmadnagar in 1595. Later, Chand Bibi was either murdered or committed suicide. In 1599 and 1600, young King Bahadur Nizam Shah was defeated. The state of Khandesh was annexed by the Mughals in 1599. In 1564, Muslim Uzbeks revolted against Akbar and they were subdued. In 1593, revolt by Muslim Mirzas was subdued by Mughals. Mughal Prince Salim or Jahangir also waged several wars which resulted in lots of Muslim blood, and who was subdued after every battle by Akbar. Prince Khusro, the eldest son of Jahangir, was defeated in several battles which he waged against his father, and was pardoned after every battle but later blinded. Shah Jahan fought several battles against Nur Jahan. Emperor Nur Jahan killed Khan Jahan Lodi, the governor of Deccan, in 1631 AD. In 1658, Princes Dara Shikoh and Aurangzeb fought among them deadliest battle for the throne of Hindustan, the Battle of Samugarh. So the conclusion is that most of the fights fought between Muslim kings or invaders against Hindu kings or defenders were purely political in nature. They were not jihad or dharam yudh as alleged by those who didn't study history at all. And I must also conclude that exceptions are always there, and those exceptions cannot be termed as a common practice.